Hi, my lovely Brushstroke Buddies. Welcome back to Bujo and Brushstrokes, your go to space for all things art and journaling. Today's video is super special. It's my 2025 annual setup. We are diving into a fun and nostalgic theme, Shinchan and his friends. So grab your pens, a cozy drink, and let's get started. First up, let's unbox my shiny new journal for 2025. There's something magical about starting a fresh journal, the blank pages and the endless possibilities. It's like opening a new chapter in life. What about you guys? Do you feel the same thrill with a new notebook? I got this journal from Amazon and it's from a brand called Neura. This is my first time trying their journal and I have ordered 160 GSM pages and it was priced around, I think somewhere around 1000. I'll check and let you guys know. So far it looks pretty good and it has this elastic band to close it. And the quality of pages is also really good. They're pretty thick. Rest we'll come to know when we actually make some spread on it, but it looks good. And it also has these ribbons for bookmarks as well as a small pocket at the back. Overall, pretty good first impression. Now let's personalize the journal and we'll start by adding our name into it. I'm using my fine liner pens just to add in my name, and then I'll be using pastel gel pens to give it a bit of a color. If you like my content, do follow me on Instagram. Let's create our annual cover page. Since the theme is all about Shinchan and his mischievous adventures, I wanted this page to burst with color and lots of fun. This spread sets out the tone for the entire year. Playful, energetic, and full of memories waiting to happen. I have created Shinchan with his friends landing into the new year on one side, while on the other hand, he is holding a board welcoming the 2025. I've used my brush pens as well as my watercolors to bring these characters to life by coloring in them. I'm adding in the final details using my fine liner pens. Next is one of my favorite spreads, my Affirmations page. I have stitched a confident and sassy Shinchan right in the center to remind me to embrace my quirks, exactly like he does. These affirmations will be my guiding stars for 2025. Which affirmations would you include in your journal? Let me know in the comments below. Twenty 2025 is going to be all about being confident and getting everything good that this universe has to offer. Moving on to my goals page, this year I am focusing on staying consistent, improving my health, and exploring more creative projects with all of you. I have kept this spread structured yet vibrant to keep me motivated throughout the year. Let me know what goals you have set for yourself in the comments below. Well, that's it for part 1 of my journal setup. I hope you guys liked me unboxing my new journal and setting up a few basic spreads. In part 2, I'll be setting a few more spreads like fitness tracker and memories tracker, and it will all be Shinchan inspired. So hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you do not miss it. I'll be putting it out soon, and till then, bye.